Hello and welcome to Designing Microsoft Azure Architecture. The focus of this course is to prepare you for Microsoft AZ301 exam. If you pass both AZ300 and AZ301 exams, then you will earn the Microsoft Azure Solutions Architect Expert certification. My name is Anand Rao and I am an Azure architect as well as passionate about cloud and security platforms. The AZ301 exam tests your knowledge of the 6 subject areas, and we will be covering them in this course. We'll start with determining workload requirements, and this section of the exam expects you to have some general knowledge of a wide variety of topics about designing IT environments. Although we'll touch on several aspects of these concepts in this course, there is no way we could cover all of them from the ground up. But if you have reasonable amount of experience in IT, you should be okay. The next section is on designing for identity and security. Not surprisingly, the focus is on how to use Azure Active Directory. In a large organization, there are several identities and they're all managed in Active Directory. So we need to know how you can sync up and securely manage the entire identity management system. You also need to set up a secure authentication mechanism for all these identities, usually for the users who are doing single sign-on. The third section is on designing data solutions. Azure offers different data services, including relational and non-relational databases. Just like other cloud providers, Microsoft also provides data warehouses, data lakes, and several other related services. You learn about each one of these components, also how to size them, design for protection, security, availability, and durability. The next section will be business continuity strategy. The two most important concepts in this section are high availability and disaster recovery. So you will learn how you can design for high availability using various levels of redundancy. For DR, Microsoft offers an important service called as Azure Site Recovery and Backup. The fifth section, although smallest, is also important, which talks about design for deployment, migration and integration. It's about migrating from on-premise or from other clouds to Azure environment, and how do you design it repeatably and integrate your applications using API management. The final section is on designing an infrastructure strategy. This is where you learn about the strategies for storage, compute, and networking. In each of these areas, you will cover how to choose the right solution, design secure access to the solutions, and also recommend appropriate tools that Azure offers. We'll also cover how to design a monitoring strategy for your enterprise applications. Keep in mind that all the sections that I just spoke about may not be covered in the same order. For example, monitoring is a topic in almost all exam sections, but we cover it primarily in one single section instead of repeating every time in every section. Okay, so are you ready to become an Azure architect? Then let's get started.